being 11th day of Ramadan, 1447 AH, equivalent to 28th February 2026. This morning, in fact, since yesterday, somebody sent me a message that he has been following us and he has been trying to contact and accept our deen, al-Islam. Alhamdulillah, 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 Rabbil Alameen. I was so privileged to speak to this brother, Emmanuel Chidubem Anyanwu. Emmanuel Chidubem Anyanwu finally became a Muslim this morning. Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar. Emmanuel Chidubem Anyanwu is now Muhammad Khalid Chidubem Anyanwu. Emmanuel Chidubem Anyanwu is now Muhammad Khalid Chidubem Anyanwu. I will love you that is really watching to listen to him taking kalima to Shahada this morning.
How are you? I bear witness. Okay.
Just you.
Yes. After me, I bear witness.
Okay, I bear witness.
There is no other God but Allah.
There is no other God but Allah.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
that Muhammad is his messenger.
Muhammad is messenger.
You say it in Arabic after me too. Ashhadu.
Okay.
Ashhadu.
Okay. Ashadawa. Okay.
Ashhadu.
Okay, Ashadu.
Allah ilaha.
Allah ilaha.
Allah ilaha.
Okay, Allah ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Ashadu.
Anna
Allah.
Muhammad.
Muhammad.
Rasulullah.
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 Rasulullah. Rasulullah.
Okay, Rasulullah.
Good. You are a Muslim. You say it in Igbo language again. Ana m agba akaebe na enweghị chi ọzọ karịrị Chineke.
Okay, ana m agba akaebe na enweghị chi ọzọ karịrị Chineke.
Ana m agba akaebe na Muhammad bụ onye ozi Chineke.
Ana m agba akaebe na Muhammad bụ onye ozi Chineke.
Allah Akbar. Ịwụọla Muslim. That is all. Yes. Now, what is today's date?
Now, I think it's 8th day of February.
February 2026. You take a bucket of water, go to the bedroom to pray, telling God that I am washing away my sins. I am starting up a new life as a Muslim.
Okay, sir.
Now, do you have any Islamic name you love so much?
Yes, sir.
Like, what's the Islamic name you love?
Muhammad and Khalid. Khalid. Muhammad and Khalid.
Muhammad Khalid. You are Muhammad Khalid. Okay? You can relay your name. Muhammad Khalid Anyanwu, you are okay. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Alhamdulillah, that is our brother Muhammad Khalid Anyanwu taking the kalima to Shahada. So, brother, I am so excited, and I believe so many others who have interest in knowing more about Islam on this page will continue to accept Islam. I continue to tell us we no longer count how many people that are accepting Islam through our programs. What we continue to count is how many are we going to air more. Because people are watching, they are accepting. those that have interest in knowing Islam, as you're watching me too, if you have interest, deep interest in knowing Islam, wallahi, you will end up becoming a Muslim shortly. Because that is what we are here for. That is why we are here, to let you know that Islam is not a religion of a certain group of people. It's for mankind. The brother who have been